It's Wednesday, the 24th of July 2024. Welcome to the 93rd edition of the Ouria newsletter series, where we shall be discussing the urea fertilizer value chain in Nigeria, challenges and opportunities. Opening purview. The urea fertilizer value chain in Nigeria plays a crucial role in ensuring the country's agricultural productivity and food security. However, this sector faces both challenges and opportunities that need to be addressed in order to optimize its efficiency and sustainability. This series aims to provide an executive summary of the challenges and opportunities in the Nigerian urea fertilizer value chain, using relevant and up-to-date information to buttress the points made. Additionally, we will propose recommendations for improving the value chain based on international best practices that have successfully been implemented elsewhere in Africa.
Challenges in the urea fertilizer value chain. Inadequate supply of raw materials. One of the primary challenges faced by the urea fertilizer value chain in Nigeria is the inadequate supply of raw materials. Urea, the key ingredient in fertilizer production, is primarily derived from natural gas, which serves as one of its key components. Nigeria is endowed with abundant natural gas reserves, but inadequate investments in gas exploration and infrastructure development have resulted in unreliable gas supplies to the fertilizer plants. This shortage has led to production disruptions and higher prices for urea fertilizer. High cost of production. The cost of production in the urea fertilizer value chain is relatively high in Nigeria compared to other African countries. This can be attributed to various factors, including high transportation costs, inadequate infrastructure, and limited access to modern technology and equipment. These high costs make it challenging for Nigerian fertilizer manufacturers to compete with international players, resulting in low domestic production capacity and limited options for farmers. Distribution and storage challenges. The distribution and storage processes within the urea fertilizer value chain in Nigeria pose significant challenges. Poor transportation infrastructure and inadequate storage facilities lead to high transportation costs, which in turn impact the overall affordability and availability of fertilizer for farmers. Additionally, the tropical climate of Nigeria presents challenges in maintaining the quality and shelf life of fertilizer, further exacerbating the distribution and storage problems.
Opportunities in the urea fertilizer value chain. Government support and incentives. The Nigerian government recognizes the importance of fertilizer in increasing agricultural productivity and enhancing food security. As a result, there have been ongoing efforts to promote the development of the urea fertilizer value chain through policy support and incentives. Initiatives such as granting tax holidays and providing subsidies to fertilizer manufacturers can help alleviate the challenges and enhance the overall competitiveness of the sector. Diversification of raw materials. The reliance on natural gas as the sole source of raw materials for urea production poses a significant risk. To mitigate this risk, Nigeria could explore alternative sources of raw materials such as coal and renewable energy sources. This diversification can help secure a steady supply of raw materials, reduce production costs, and create more opportunities for investment and innovation in the urea fertilizer value chain. Capacity building and technical assistance. Investing in capacity building and technical assistance is crucial for transforming the urea fertilizer value chain in Nigeria. Providing training to fertilizer manufacturers on best practices, quality control, and new technologies can improve the overall efficiency and sustainability of their operations. Additionally, providing support to farmers on fertilizer application techniques, soil analysis, and crop selection can enhance their productivity and enhance their use of urea fertilizer.
Recommendations for improvement. Based on the challenges and opportunities identified, the following recommendations can be implemented to improve the urea fertilizer value chain in Nigeria. 1. Incentives and support. The government should provide incentives, including tax holidays and subsidies, to support fertilizer manufacturers and encourage investment in the value chain. Additionally, technical assistance should be provided to help manufacturers improve production efficiency and product quality. 2. Infrastructure development. significant investments should be made in transportation infrastructure, particularly roads, railways, and ports, to facilitate the movement of urea fertilizer from production sites to farmers' fields. Adequate storage facilities should also be established to ensure efficient distribution and storage. 3. Diversification of raw materials. Nigeria should consider exploring alternative sources of raw materials, such as coal and renewable energy sources, to diversify its feedstock and reduce risks associated with natural gas availability. However, this may be difficult to implement given the current state of Nigeria's economy and the absence of a national dedicated research and development institution for alternative energy sources. 4. Farmer training. Efforts should be made to provide farmers with training on fertilizer application techniques, soil analysis, and crop selection. This can enhance their ability to utilize urea fertilizer effectively and improve their overall agricultural productivity. Conclusion. The urea fertilizer value chain in Nigeria presents both challenges and opportunities that need to be addressed. By addressing the challenges and implementing the recommended improvements based on international best practices, Nigeria can optimize its fertilizer production, enhance agricultural productivity, and ultimately improve food security. If you would like to learn more, please contact us on any of the social media handles below. Quote of the week. The supply chain is all about 4 steps: buy, make, move, fulfill. Stephen J. Bowen.